Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Before we get into the details of the forecast, we'll start off with the alerts, and there is just one warning for today, and that's for conditions which are favourable for the development of runaway fires over the southern interior for this afternoon. That's due to dry, warm and gusty conditions in the area. Those conditions are being caused by a high pressure that's ridged into the central parts of the country, along with a low that's passing to the south. Between these two systems, we have air that's moving down from the central plateau. As it moves down the escarpment, it warms up and also dries out and causes the gusty conditions and the high fire danger. Mostly cloudy up in the northeastern parts for the first half of the day. A little bit of light rain still possible over eastern Limpopo. Still a fair amount of cloud as we head into the second half of the afternoon up in that area, while over the central parts it will be a partly cloudy day. The rainfall probability map shows that it's a mostly dry day over the country, except for that light rain which will be possible at first over eastern Limpopo, particular for the high-lying areas along the escarpment. And as I've mentioned, a general clearance will be taking place as the day goes on. A quick look at temperatures, and it's going to be cooler today for many areas in the northwest as well as in Gauteng. Modimolle also quite a bit cooler, 22 degrees as a maximum. Warmer on the other hand for the eastern parts, in particular for the Eastern Cape. Many parts of this province will reach the upper 20s in the afternoon. Over the east coast, a northeasterly wind returns to Durban and Richards Bay, while in Port Elizabeth we've forecast a westerly wind for today. That wind is going to become southwesterly later in the afternoon and also become fresh at the same time. The southern interior can expect temperatures to reach into the mid to upper 20s for most areas, in particular for Somerset East, quite a bit warmer than what it was yesterday. And along the south coast, westerly to southwesterly winds which will average at about 20 kilometers per hour, while a southerly wind has been forecast for False Bay. Over the northern Cape interior, it will be warm this afternoon. Springbok and Prieska both getting to a maximum of 27, while along the west coast, light to moderate southerly winds are expected. Table Bay reaching a maximum temperature of 23 degrees, and those swells are dropping even further with a height of about 1.5 meters today. A quick look at your Sunday's weather conditions, and it's going to be a sunny and warmer day into the low veldt. Mbombela gets to 26, Pretoria on the high veldt at 25, and Cape Town remains unchanged with a high of 23 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.